Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth connection problems on Motorola Moto G17 Power. So first, scroll from the top and click and hold onto Bluetooth. Then select the problematic device by clicking the gear next to it. Then click Forget and Forget Device. Then click Pair New Device, and before that, disable the Bluetooth. Wait a couple of seconds, then enable it again. Then once again Pair New Device, select the device, click Pair on both devices, and it should work. If you still have problems, then restart your phone and the Bluetooth device. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.